Assalamualaikum and good evening to my lovely panel and to my supervisor, Dr. Norzaida Binti Yusuf. My name is Syazana Auni Binti Mazawawi. So today I'm going to do a presentation on my research proposal of Bachelor for Food Technology with Honour. So my research title is the effect of different dyeing methods on physicochemical properties of Morinda, Citrifolia, fruits and leaf. So this is the outline of my presentation. For the background of the study, noni with the scientific name of Morinda citrifolia is a Rubiaceae family and has approximately 80 species. Noni has been used in medicine for years in most cultures around the world, according to Ramamurthy and Bono, 2007. This due to the numerous bioactivity substances contained in noni, including polyphenol, flavonoid, alkaloid, lignin, anthraquinones, carotenoid, ester, glycoside, and nucleoside, which based on Almeida et al. 2019. So next is for the problem statement in my studies. Noni is known as a highly perishable and has a short shelf life. And then there are also limited report on the nutritional content of noni fruits and leaf powder dried by the freeze drying and oven drying method. There also no published work on the comparison of physicochemical properties between the noni fruits and leaf powder. And next is the significance of the study. There are three significance of my study, which is first is to be fully aware of the comparison of physicochemical properties between noni fruits and leaf. The second one is the different drying methods, which is freeze drying and oven drying will be used. And lastly, I hope this study will contribute to result in noni fruits and leaf powder with a longer shelf life. So next is the research objective. There are three of objective in the study, which is the first one is to determine the effect of freeze drying on the psychochemical properties of noni fruits and leaf. Next, to determine the effect of the oven drying methods on physicochemical properties of noni fruits and leaf. And the last one is to compare the physicochemical properties of both noni fruits and leaf powder. And then next we proceed with the literature review. This is the description of noni stated by Lal et al. 2020, where it described that noni has large straight trunk and bright green leaf, white tubular flower, and also have granite-like fruits. And then noni fruits and leaf also prove to have high antioxidant content due to their composition compound, according to the Zin et al. 2002. And then related to that, noni fruits also used to cure in various diseases like angina, inflammation, diabetes, abdominal fibromas, and other diseases. Next is the drying methods that will be used in my research, which is freeze drying and oven drying. Freeze drying used to completely freeze the sample under a vacuum and consists of three stages, which are pre-freezing, primary freezing, and secondary freezing. This is stated by the Syazana and Leonard 2011. Then oven drying is known as the thermogravimetric method and used to analyze moisture by Ducat et al. 2018. The sample is heated by the convection. Next, we proceed to the methodology. This is the overall method in this research. Okay, in this slide, this is the preparation of the sample. Noni fruits and leaf will be collected from the Taman Herba Uniza campus Besut, and then it will be done according to this step. Next, Veritas Genesis fridge dryer will be used in the fridge drying method. Both of fruits and leaf will be dehydrated at -70 degrees C for 72 hours. And then, for the oven drying method, Mehmet Universal Oven will be used. Noni fruit slices and leaf will be left in the oven at different drying temperature, which is 50, 60 and 70 degrees C for 32 minutes. And after that, the powder sample will be proceed to the physicochemical properties, which are antioxidant, color analysis, moisture content, water activity, water solubility and bulk density. Next, DPPH assay will be used to determine the antioxidant content in the sample. The method involves the extraction, agitation and filtration process. And the solvent involved is acetone, ethanol and water with the ratio 2:1. And the absorbent at 517 nm using the spectrophotometer. So next, in the statistical analysis, the sample will be run in triplicate. And then statistical package for the science social software will be used. So next is the expected outcome of the study. The fish drying method is expected to result in better physicochemical properties for both noni fruits and leaf powder. And beside that, noni fruits powder are expected to have a better physicochemical properties than noni leaf powder. Okay, this is my Gantt chart for my whole research study in 2 semesters for year 2021 and 2022. And then this is the list of references regarding to my research proposal study. Finally, inshallah I will do better during the next research process, and I think that's all from my research proposal presentation. Thank you so much for my panel and for my supervisor, and I would like to apologize for any mistake during my presentation. Thank you.